What if I told you that one simple change to when you eat could completely change how your body looks, feels, and functions, without counting calories, cutting out your favorite foods, or spending extra hours at the gym? Intermittent fasting is not a diet, it's a biological reset. And when done correctly, it allows your body to switch from constant digestion and fat storage into repair, fat burning, and renewal mode. For thousands of years, humans naturally ate this way, and only recently have we trained our bodies to eat all day long, never giving our systems a break. When you stop eating for a set period of time, powerful processes turn on inside your body, including fat burning, hormone balancing, and cellular repair. And that's why people often notice changes in their energy, weight, digestion, and mental clarity faster than with almost any other lifestyle shift. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why intermittent fasting works so well, what it does inside your body, and why millions of people swear by it, not just for weight loss, but for long-term health and longevity. Benefit number 1. Intermittent fasting accelerates fat burning naturally. When you eat constantly, your body runs mostly on sugar, but when you fast, insulin levels drop, and that signals your body to switch from storing fat to burning it. This shift allows your body to tap into stored fat for fuel, including stubborn fat that tends to cling to the belly and hips, making fat loss feel easier and more natural over time rather than forced. Benefit number 2, it helps balance blood sugar and insulin levels. Intermittent fasting gives your insulin receptors a break, which improves insulin sensitivity and helps stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day. As a result, many people experience fewer energy crashes, reduced sugar cravings, and better appetite control because their body is no longer stuck on a blood sugar roller coaster. Benefit number 3, fasting supports cellular repair and autophagy. One of the most powerful benefits of fasting is autophagy, a process where your body cleans out damaged cells and replaces them with healthier ones. This internal cleanup helps your cells function more efficiently and is closely linked to slower aging, improved organ health, and reduced risk of chronic disease. Benefit number 4, intermittent fasting improves brain function and focus. When you fast, your brain shifts to using ketones for energy, which provide a cleaner, more stable fuel source than glucose. Many people report sharper focus, better concentration, and improved mental clarity during fasting periods, along with more stable moods and reduced brain fog. Benefit number 5, it reduces chronic inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to joint pain, fatigue, heart disease, and metabolic disorders, and intermittent fasting has been shown to lower inflammatory markers in the body. By giving your digestive system time to rest, fasting allows your immune system to calm down and focus on repair rather than constant defense. Benefit number 6, fasting supports heart health. Intermittent fasting has been associated with improvements in cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and triglycerides, all of which play a major role in heart health. Over time, these changes reduce strain on the cardiovascular system and support healthier blood vessels and circulation. Benefit number 7, it helps regulate appetite and hunger hormones. Fasting helps reset hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which control hunger and fullness signals. As these hormones rebalance, many people notice they feel satisfied with less food, experience fewer cravings, and no longer feel controlled by constant hunger throughout the day. Benefit 8, intermittent fasting may support longevity Studies suggest that fasting activates pathways associated with a longer lifespan, improved stress resistance, and better cellular function. By reducing oxidative stress and supporting cellular repair, fasting may help slow aspects of aging at the biological level. Benefit number 9. It simplifies eating and improves consistency. One underrated benefit of intermittent fasting is how it simplifies daily eating habits. With fewer meals to plan and fewer opportunities to snack, people often find it easier to stay consistent, make better food choices, and maintain healthier routines without feeling overwhelmed. Benefit number 10. Intermittent fasting improves metabolic flexibility. Metabolic flexibility is your body's ability to switch between burning sugar and fat efficiently, and intermittent fasting trains your body to do exactly that. This flexibility leads to more stable energy, better endurance, and a metabolism that adapts rather than crashes. Intermittent fasting isn't about deprivation or extremes. It's about giving your body the space it needs to function the way it was designed to. When practiced mindfully and consistently, it can support fat loss, energy, mental clarity, and long-term health in a way that feels sustainable rather than restrictive. If this video helped you understand intermittent fasting better, support the channel by liking the video and sharing it with someone who might need it. Subscribe for more science-based health content, and let me know in the comments if you've tried intermittent fasting or are thinking about starting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.